Hey, what's up everyone? Today, I'll be doing a screen replacement on the Samsung here. Like, subscribe and comment below what you want to see in future videos. Let's start. To begin with, we're going to open it up. Before we doing that, shut the power and make sure that there is no SIM card or South Dakota card in here. To begin with, we want to take the back cover off, so we should just be able to use a pry tool which go between the back cover and the assembly like that. There we go, so that's enabled us to get into it. And now from here, we're wanting to disconnect the battery, so I'll use tweezers to lift it up. Here we go, so now we've got one battery disconnected. Then I want to disconnect the digitizer at the top here. Flip it out the way. Let's start to turn on the heat mat. In order to set the heat mat at 78 degrees Celsius to get the adhesive fully heat saturated and help the screen come off a little bit easier. After a few minutes later, you can feel the heat. It's time to start working on it. We use a disassembler, insert it in the side and basically bend back, it cut the adhesive down the edge. Don't work too fast, the biggest part with this is just fatiguing the adhesive and work at getting the adhesive loose. And the thing, if need, you can use 99% isopropyl alcohol or anything like that on these a few times. Then, go ahead and round the corners. Seems it needs to put on the heat mat for a few more minutes to get the adhesive fully heat saturated, so it'll come off a little bit easier. Let's use the disassembler, insert it in and try again. All right now. I am going to go ahead and clean this up, that way we can have it ready and prepared for our new screen. Let's get started on this. Cool, now we have all of the bulk adhesive removed. Alright, perfect. And at this point, after you've cleaned it up all the way, it is ready for a new touch glass. Gentle to put the glue on like that. Clean up as clean as possible before put on the touch glass. Carefully let the digitizer cable go through. As long as you haven't seen any type of debris float onto either one of those, you should be good to close it. There we go. So we're going to connect the digitizer at the top here and connect the battery. And connect the battery again. So we're going to go ahead and check that out and make sure that everything working properly. It looks like everything is working fine without get any kind of touch error and home button feels perfect. Top over, push down, push around other side as well, click. Make sure when you are pushing down with pressure to do it on the corner of the assembly, not on the screen itself, or else you will risk cracking. Perfect. Appreciate your watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button, and don't forget to leave a comment below on what you'd like to see in future videos. See you in the next videos.